3 days of wonderful weather, blue skies, and temperatures warming each afternoon. We went from the 60s all the way up to near 80 degrees for the afternoon high today, and some areas did go beyond that 80-degree mark. Right now we're at 78 with the blue skies over the bluegrass and really the entire state sitting clear at this point. And 79 will be that afternoon high for today, starting at a low of 51 though. So a cool morning all the way to a warm afternoon. Louisville touched 84 today. So did Bowling Green. Now both of them at 83. So the further west and north, obviously you are dealing with warmer temperatures, all about 5 to 10 from this time yesterday. Nothing on the Max Track, nothing expected. You need clouds? We don't have it. We have dust for sure, and the Max Track was picking up on that. The showers and thunderstorms putting down some really strong wind in the extreme New England states, and that's going to continue for a few more hours before that system moves offshore. Delta, big story for right now. Slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula as a Category 4. Lost a lot of its strength, though, as it moved across, and now as it moves back into the Gulf of Mexico. Category 3 strength sometime as it's making its way into southwestern Louisiana, very close to the path of Laura. If you remember earlier in the season, that Category 4 hurricane that moved on shore near the Sabine River, which is the one that separates Texas and Louisiana. This one going to be a little bit further east, and that is good news for Lake Charles, Louisiana, that's still cleaning up after Laura. Tropical depression losing a lot of its strength and getting back to a post-tropical low as it moves over Kentucky. So it's got a long ways to go, especially with rainfall. That's going to be our biggest issue going into the weekend. Even then, not expecting as much as what we were looking at yesterday, where 2.5 inches of rainfall were being expected. Now that number has come down about 1/2 inch to about 1.5 inches of rainfall between both that system, what's left of Delta, and another cold front that's going to come through later on into the end of the weekend. But the dry cold front overnight tonight will be enough to knock temperatures off by about 5 degrees throughout the day tomorrow. High pressure slides through, cloud coverage starts to increase, and the closer those rain bands get to us, the thicker the cloud coverage, eventually bringing those showers in late Friday and then throughout the day on Saturday. So your forecast tonight, low 50s, clear skies. It might feel a little cool out there, but it's going to warm up again pretty nicely. Mid 70s versus the upper 70s or low 80s throughout the afternoon tomorrow. Now, after that point, getting back into some cosmetic changes for Friday, cloud coverage increasing, showers and storms eventually making their way back in with the remnants of Delta. The wind, not going to be too big of an issue. It will be pretty breezy throughout the weekend, but certainly just more of a rain issue both Saturday and Sunday. Monday, we're looking at a cold front that comes through, kind of brings the storm away from us or pushes it away from us, but it will bring cooler air. And by the time we get to the middle of next week, we're back into the upper 60s.